Hi, so a few of my users, when they bought the MU6200 from Samsung, what they noticed is that there was a lot of jitteriness in the motion, or the motion seemed very unnatural. And I want to show you the difference. It's very hard to tell, but if you have them side by side, you could sort of tell a little bit that the motion is a little bit unnatural. So what you do is you go into the settings, and under the settings, if you scroll to picture, and under the expert settings, scrolling down to expert settings here, you choose expert settings, you go into expert settings, and you scroll down to the motion plus settings. So scrolling down to the motion plus settings here, what you have is it says enhance picture sharpness for optimized fast moving images, auto motion plus, jitter reduction, and LED clear motion. You're going to go into that and you could turn it off. So in my case, I'm turning it off, and the picture should be what you're used to once again. So I hope this helped. This will make the motion a little bit more natural, just like what you're used to. And you know, that's really it. So I hope this helped, and please subscribe, and thank you for watching.